Welcome. In trigonometry, we often learn that sine and cosine repeat every 360 degrees. However, the tangent function behaves differently. It repeats twice as often. In this video, we will explore exactly why the period of the tangent function is pi radians, or 180 degrees, using simple visual logic. First, let's briefly recall sine and cosine. These functions track the coordinates of a point moving around a circle. To get back to the exact same starting position and direction, the point must complete a full loop. That is why their period is 2 pi, or 360 degrees. Tangent is defined differently. Geometrically, you can think of tangent as the slope of the line connecting the center of the circle to the edge. The formula is sine divided by cosine, which corresponds to the rise over the run. We will focus on this slope concept to find the pattern. Let us look at the first quadrant, from 0 to 90 degrees. Here, both x and y coordinates are positive. Since a positive number divided by a positive number is positive, the slope is positive. It starts at 0 and gets steeper and steeper as we move up. Now we move into the second quadrant, from 90 to 180 degrees. Here, the x values become negative, but y remains positive. A positive divided by a negative gives us a negative result. So, the slope here is negative, representing a line going downhill. This is the critical moment. When we reach exactly 180 degrees, or pi radians, we lie flat on the x-axis again. The y value is 0. 0 divided by -1 is 0. The slope has returned to 0, exactly where we started at the beginning. Now observe what happens in the third quadrant. Both coordinates are negative, but a negative divided by a negative results in a positive. This means the slope values here are identical to those in the first quadrant. We are repeating the same positive slope pattern we saw at the start. Finally, in the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. This results in a negative slope. These values perfectly match the pattern from the second quadrant. So, the second half of the circle is just a copy of the first half regarding slope. If we graph this, we can clearly see the result. Unlike the sine wave, which takes a long time to repeat, the tangent curves repeat every pi units. Every 180 degrees, the cycle of slopes, from 0 to positive infinity to negative infinity and back to 0, completes itself. In summary, while sine and cosine need a full circle to reset, tangent only needs a half circle. The ratio of y over x repeats itself every 180 degrees. That is why the period of the tangent function is simply pi.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.